HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the complete MSB equation. Here's the equation for the mean squares between. The mean squares between is the variance of the means multiplied by the number of scores in each group, n. Let's put the sample size first, and then substitute the equation that calculates the variance of the means. The variance of the means, s squared m, is equal to the sum of squares means, ss means, divided by degrees of freedom between, df means. The degrees of freedom between means, df means, can also be written as the degrees of freedom between, dfb. To create the final formula, let's substitute the formula for the sum of squares for means. The numerator is now the sample size multiplied by the sum of the squared deviations of the means from the grand mean. The denominator is the degrees of freedom between groups, which is k-1. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.